Hi guys, this is Mr. Urrego, and today we're going to learn how to find the line of best fit in Desmos. Alright, let's go. So, the first thing that I need to do is hit the plus, get a table, and input all the values. I'm going to put 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And for my y values, I'm going to have 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 12, and 14. So if you notice it's a positive correlation problem. Okay, very nice. Now the idea is to draw, we have the scatter plot. This is called the scatter plot. Okay, if I want to zoom in, zoom out, move around, I can do it. Another way of doing it is I hit the range, there we go, and I can control what are the x values that I want to see. So because my values are from 4 to 10, I'm going to come to the x and I'm going to erase all that. I'm going to put a 0. You got to erase 0 to, let's say, to 11. So let me hit that again. So I can see what values I control. Oh, I want to see a negative. So let's go here, -1. Okay. So I can see what values I want to see. All right. Again, it goes from 4 to 10. So the best thing to do is probably, what, 3 maybe? All right. So you can see the values. I can do the same thing for the y's. All right, here we go. So I have my scatter plot right there. Now let's find the line of best fit. So if you notice, here we go, there's nothing. Underneath you see a little 2 right there. I hit it. And I'm going to write my equation in slope-intercept form. So y equals mx plus b. Okay, before I proceed, my table is x1, y1. So in order for me to Desmos identify these table values, I have to write y1 and x1. But now Desmos erase everything, okay? Because a scatter plot is an exclamation. So let me erase the equal sign, all right? Scatter plot is an approximation. It's always called the line of best fit, all right? This is depending on the software or depending on what points that I use, and I'll show that in a minute. So I'm going to hit this keyboard, and instead of the equal sign, I'm going to write ABC, and I'll see the approximate equal to. Here we go. And now I have that. Let me close this again. Once I do that, now Desmos gives me everything. Beautiful. So I have my equation, y equals mx plus b. The m is the slope, 2.03751. The b is the y-intercept, -6 points. So let me write that down, because for the most part, that's the question they will ask you. Okay, so they will ask you, write the equation of the line of best fit. So I can write equal. I'd rather not. I'd rather have y approximate equal to, right? A little curve like that. Oh my God, I don't know how to do it. There we go. Some kind of curves like this. Approximate equal to. My slope is 2.3. I'm going to give 4 decimal places, 57 of x minus 6.39 and 2829. I'm rounding. And that's the line of best fit. This is the equation of the line of best fit. I want to write y approximately equal to. Okay? And that's it. What other information I get from here? I see the R. What's the R? The R is called the correlation coefficient. And if this R is close to 1 or -1, it means that the linear model, the line of best fit, okay, strongly reflects the relationship between my variables, between the values of the x and the values of y. So if this is close to 1 or -1, that means this is a nice fit for the information that I have. If this, the R value, is close to 0, means there's no correlation, means there's no association between the variables. So the closer to 1, the better. The closer to -1, the better. If the R is positive, why? Because my correlation is a positive correlation. If the R is negative, then the correlation is negative, goes down. Okay, that's it. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, stay tuned for more because there's more on stats. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.